Welcome back, guys. So in this portion of the video, we're going to continue working on the details, and we're going to be starting with the wall panel 2. And if we have time, we'll start moving to the door frame. So let's begin. So let's select wall panel 2, right click, and let's go to create sketch. And what I first want to do is create the wall, create this detail here going horizontally. So I'll use the line tool, or I could use the 2-point rectangle. So it might be faster to do the 2-point rectangle. So I'll start somewhere around here. So it lines up here just beyond the actual reference. Then I'll bring this down to here. And then also I'll right click, hit OK. And let's finish sketch. Let's go to create pipe. Let's create a pipe. And it's already on 1.9. The operation's on cut, so let's hit OK. So we have that nice slice there. And now let's continue this. So let's select this surface, create a sketch. Let's use our line tool. The line tool can be very useful. It can be used for multiple things. So I did that from the top, middle section of the horizontal line at the top, and then the horizontal line at the bottom. Right click, hit OK. And now I can select this line, Control C, Control V. I'll just move this over here. Right click, hit OK. And now I can just adjust this line at the bottom, this point. And I'll bring this to about here. And I'll drag this line up a bit better. Now I can use the line tool just to create a horizontal line from this point to extend it beyond this body reference. And now I can finish sketch and create more pipes. So create pipe, select our horizontal line. It's on 1.9, operations on cut, hit OK. And let's toggle back on that sketch so we can find this line so we can create a pipe again. And it's just that simple, guys. It's just repetition. So now we're done with this section, so we can toggle off this sketch. And let's start doing these cutout pieces here. So let's select this surface, go to create sketch, and we'll use the line tool. So from here, are we doing this tracing? And I tried to make this as easy as possible, guys. So all you guys got to do is just follow the reference. So if you guys don't want to, go verbatim from what I'm saying, you guys can, experiment on your own. Remember to repeat that function so we don't have to keep going back up to the line tool here or pressing the hotkey L. We can just right click and go up to repeat. And what I'll do is go from here, bottom line. This is a relatively simple model we're doing, guys. This is really simple stuff. I tried to make this as easy as possible so everyone could follow along. Now that we have that there, what I want to do, instead of creating a pipe, we're going to shift select both of these profiles and we're going to press pull them. And we're going to press pull them back. So we're going to go negative 1.8 millimeters. Operations on cut. I'm going to hit OK. Now let's start getting the detail here on the top. So select the top surface, go to create sketch. We're going to draw a 2-point rectangle. And to better match this, what we can do, instead of using 2-point rectangle right now, we can just go to offset, select this surface here, and we can just pull this to about here. So it's nice and even. Now we can select this surface and let's dial this back. So we're going to right click, press pull, and we're going to bring it by negative 1.8. Once we have that by negative 1.8, we'll ensure the operation's on cut and hit OK. Now we have that indent going. That's perfect what we need. We'll select its inner surface and create another sketch. So what I want to do now is use the 2-point rectangle tool. So from this top left inner area here, we're just going to create this giant rectangle. Once I have that, I can right click, hit OK. We're just going to bring this in. So we're going to press pull this. And we could do 1.8, but I just rather eye this. Let's bring it by something like 3.9, negative 3.9. So we'll hit Ensure it's uncut, then hit OK. Now what we can do is do this little rectangular piece here that's extruding outwards. So we can select the surface, create sketch, use our favorite 2-point rectangle, and we'll just start from the top left corner to the bottom right. And what we'll do now is hit OK after we right click, select this surface, press pull, and we can actually just reference this surface. So it's unjoined. Let's hit OK. Now let's start doing some of this area here. So for this is going to be really simple. It's just going to be a pipe. So we'll select this surface, go to create sketch, draw a line. The line will start here, right in the middle. We'll just drag it horizontally to this point. Let's right click OK. I think I need to pull this a bit further to here. So I'll select this line, right click, go to move. And I'll just dial this down to match this first one here at the bottom. Now we can hit OK. And let's go to finish sketch. Now I'm going to go to create pipe, select this line, and let's create a pipe, and let's bring it to something closer to the reference. So 9.5 should be fine, 9.5. And let's change the operation from cut to new body. So back in the front view, what we can do is we can duplicate this one by one, but that might just take too long and it's inefficient to work that way. So what we'll do is go to create pattern, pattern on path, select our body here. So where it says type, change it from faces to bodies, and we can select it. Now where it says path, we can choose any vertical line because we want this to go straight up. So we can choose this line or this one, doesn't matter. Once you choose it, then we know the count needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll bring this first one up to here, to the first reference pipe. We'll change the quantity on the right, which is 3 to 5. And we'll just hit OK. Now we need to combine this together. So we'll go to modify, combine. Let's select our main body and select all 5 of these pipes. And we could easily do that on the left side by selecting 5 bodies here because they're the most recent ones. Change the operation from cut to join and hit OK. Now let's toggle off the canvas so we can see what we've done so far. And we're almost done. This looks really good. We just got to get the detail here on the inside. So let's toggle back on our canvas. Select this inner surface here, right click and go to create sketch. What I want to do is, I think I can start with this rectangular body here. So we'll use the 2-point rectangle. Top left corner to the bottom right corner. Right click, and let's select this profile. And we'll just right click, press pull. And we can choose any surface or how far we want to bring this out. And I want to bring this out. I can just eyeball this. So I'll bring it to somewhere around here. 1.3 should be fine. Ensure the operation is on join, not cut, and let's hit OK. Now back in the front view, we can start getting the rest of this detail. So let's select the surface, right click, go to create sketch, and we can just start continuing. So let's use our line tool. We'll draw a horizontal line from here to here, and we'll just follow from this corner, right? And that's actually lower than I want it, so we can adjust that after. We'll just bring this down. Right click, hit OK, and now let's just slide this all the way down, and let's bring this up a bit higher, right? And then we can go to fillet, select this corner, and we can round that off. So let's hit OK. And we'll do the same for the bottom line. So let's go to our line tool, go up and to the right here. Use our fillet tool, select our corner, and we'll just dial this in to somewhere around here. Right click, hit OK. And let's finish sketch. Now we have to create a pipe out of each of these lines. So we'll go to create pipe, select our first pipe. That looks a little bit too big, so we'll dial this down to somewhere around here, 5.7. And let's hit Control C to copy those parameters. And now we can change it from cut to join. Hit OK. And let's toggle back on that sketch so we can see the rest of these. Now we can go to create pipe once again, select this top line. If we can hit Control V to paste the exact parameters from that last pipe. And let's hit join, OK. Right click, go up to repeat pipe, select this bottom line, and Control V to paste the exact measurements. And it's on join already, so we'll hit OK. And we are done with this wall panel too. So this wasn't too hard. Hopefully this isn't too confusing for you guys. Let's toggle off our canvas so we can see what we've done so far. So we have 4 panels done for the modular environment that we're going to be bringing into Unreal. And this looks relatively great. I'm happy with these results, and we'll continue in the next video.